Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard of someone taking probiotics, and their health actually got worse? Did you know that your body holds a living ecosystem more powerful than your own DNA? In this episode, we reveal the golden rules of using probiotics and prebiotics, and why taking the wrong dose can cause chaos inside your gut. This video will change how you think about immunity, digestion, mood, and aging. Stay with me till the end. Let's go. Part 1. What are probiotics and why are they so important? Your body contains around 30,000 human genes, but the bacteria in your gut carry over 2 million genes. In simple terms, we're walking around with our own genes, and the bacteria are walking with armies. And in terms of quantity, they outnumber your human cells by far. These gut bacteria help digest your food, produce vitamins like B12 and K, enhance mineral absorption, train your immune system to function properly, reduce inflammation and allergies, influence mood, sleep, and brain function, regulate bowel movements, insulin resistance, and some cancers, and even protect you from chronic diseases like heart disease. Part 2. Probiotics versus prebiotics. Probiotics equals the live beneficial bacteria, often in supplement form. Prebiotics equals the food that nourish. Eat these bacteria, mostly dietary fibers your body can't digest. But your bacteria can. Imagine your gut bacteria as a garden. Probiotics are the seeds, and prebiotics are the fertilizer. Part 3. The most dangerous mistake people make. Some people take probiotics randomly or continuously. This is dangerous. Why? Because having too many bacteria, even good ones, can lead to excess fermentation, gas and bloating, colon irritation, internal toxicity. Golden rule: never take probiotics unless your body truly needs them, and hear us exactly when. Part 4. When should you actually take probiotics? After antibiotics. These drugs wipe out both good and bad bacteria. Take probiotics 2 hours after your antibiotic. Continue for 10 to 15 days. During or after diarrhea. Diarrhea flushes out large amounts of good bacteria. While traveling abroad, new food, new water, new bacteria. Probiotics help protect your gut. If you're feeling low or moody for no reason, your gut may be affecting your brain. If you're taking vitamins but still feel deficient, weak gut bacteria may be the issue. If you were born via C-section or were breastfed, you likely missed natural probiotic transfer from your mother. If you take antacids, antidepressants, or anti-inflammatories long-term, these deplete gut bacteria over time. If you've done a colon cleanse or enema, you've lost bacteria and need to restore them. After extreme diets, artificial sweeteners, or pesticide-heavy foods, these kill off your gut flora. Part 5. What are the best prebiotic foods? Your gut bacteria need to eat too, or they'll die off. Best prebiotic-rich foods: leeks, artichokes, garlic, onions, green bananas, chicory root high in inulin fiber, dark chocolate, whole oats. Eat these with meals so they reach the gut while digestion is active. A great natural recipe: 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast plus 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Let sit for 10 minutes, then eat on an empty stomach for 7 days. Supports your bacteria and boosts immunity. Part 6. How to take probiotics properly. Never take them right after food. Your stomach acid is strongest after meals, and it can kill the live bacteria. Best timing: on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning, or between meals 2 to 3 hours after and before eating. Drink only water afterward. Avoid food for at least 1 to 2 hours. Goal: let the bacteria pass safely through the stomach and reach the colon, where they belong. Part 7. How to choose the right probiotic supplement. Look for a product that includes 5 to 10 different strains, especially lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. At least 5 billion CFU. Colony-forming units, preferably combined with prebiotics to help the bacteria survive and thrive. If you're using probiotics temporarily, 15-day course is ideal. If you've done a cleanse or traveled, 21 to 30 days is best. Closing message: your body isn't alone, you're hosting a whole microscopic civilization. when you feed and support your gut bacteria properly, digestion, and immunity, you'll notice massive improvements in energy, focus, sleep, mood. But if you neglect them, or worse, overload them, your health will suffer. Share this episode with anyone struggling with gut issues, mood swings, or weak immunity. Comment below. Have you ever tried probiotics? What was your experience? Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell to never miss powerful health content.